We believe that simplicity is the ultimate expression of beauty. We believe that a truly beautiful device becomes so integrated into a person's life that it disappears into the background. Over time, that person notices only the absence of their device, not its presence. Illumination, light, is fundamental to how we experience our environment.
So what's it like working with Davey?
Davey is intense. Maybe a little dramatic.
Without adequate light, our eyes, and therefore our brains, are physically missing details of the world around us. For 18 months, our design team has been diligently crafting a device that will change the way you think about illumination forever. And we strongly believe that once you see it, you'll never want to be without it. We call it Luminook. Luminook is a revolutionary new lighting solution for your home, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. The Luminook experience starts with a control module powered by a removable lithium-ion battery pack. This control module contains a suite of sensors that determines the position of the closet door, ambient light conditions, and even the physical presence of the user. Behind the scenes, the Luminook control module is mounted inside the closet and powers a brilliantly bright LED strip that traverses the entire inner door frame, being held firmly in place with specially designed clips. One of the most amazing design feats of Luminook is that installation can be completed in less than 10 minutes, with no special skills or tools required. Once installed, it's almost completely hidden from view. All of this results in brilliant, shadow-free illumination that was previously impossible in an enclosed space. You may find your first experience with Luminook to be something of an awakening. Luminook has features such as variable color temperature and Do Not Disturb mode, which gives users the ability to access their space discreetly. Luminook can even be paired with a high CRI LED strip, which mimics natural daylight, allowing you to tell the difference between those black and navy trousers in your closet. Luminook is so much more than just a closet light. It can bring illumination to any space in your home. Ideas are extremely fragile. They're not predictable in terms of how many you'll have or when you'll have them. Our team's idea was to completely change the way you interact with the spaces in your home. We believe we've created profound and enduring beauty in simplicity, in clarity, in efficiency. We call it Luminook.
The revolutionary, patent-pending features of Luminook are well on their way to becoming a reality, but we need your help to go the last mile. Please back our project to join the Luminook family, and together we can bring our bright idea into your home. Thanks for watching.